Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to add product review section in your Shopify store. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, I need you to open your computer browser and of course head on to the Shopify website and just simply log in into your account if you already have an account, or if you don't have an account, just simply sign up using your email address, and of course verify your email address so that you won't have any problems in the near future. So as you can see, I already have logged in into my Shopify, and to add a product reviews we will need to use a third-party app. So the third-party app I use is called Luke. So all you have to do is go to the app section right here and just simply find the app called Luke. So I'm just gonna hit on enter, and it will lead me to the Shopify App Store right here. As you can see, this is the product review application that I want to use. So I'm just gonna click on Luke's product reviews and photos, and make sure to add the app right here. And next is to integrate your Shopify Store and Luke. So make sure to install the app right here, and once you have done that, we are now good to go. So as you can see, this is the dashboard of Luke's product reviews and photos right here. Just let me load that for a bit. There you have it. So this is the dashboard right here. So these are the review requests sent, these are the reviews collected, and the acquisitions revenue, the conversion revenue, some retention revenue, and total Luke's driven sales. So once I already scroll down, it says what would you like to do now. So migrating from another review solutions, have existing reviews from other sources. So we've got you covered. So you can actually import reviews if you have those reviews in your different store like CJ Dropshipping, Amazon, and everything else. Next is you want to personalize your review request email, customize your widgets, and add a discount. So for now, I'm gonna focus on this section right here, but first we will need to customize our widgets. So in order for you to do that, just go to reviews right here, just click on the drop down. So you have collect reviews, display reviews, manage reviews, and import reviews. First, I'm gonna show you what the collect reviews right about here. So in order to collect reviews, you need to choose whether or not how to do that. So choose which reviews you want to auto-publish and how you want to be notified of your reviews. So once I click on the drop down right here, you can actually set which reviews to auto-publish. So if you have a reviews like 4 stars and up, it will auto-publish in your store, and you can actually click on the drop down right here. And as you can see, you can also have you want to auto-publish some 3 stars and up, you can actually do that, or you want to auto-publish all reviews, you can just click on that as well. So on the review notification, you want to enable this, or if you want to disable this, it's all up to you, but make sure to enter an email address so that all the notifications will be sent to you. Next is the review request timing. So as you can see, set the timing of the first review request email sent to your contacts. So if you want to actually do that, you can actually click on the drop down right here and choose the days you want to do that. So let's just say that let's have this for 10 days, and after 10 days you can actually have the fulfillment, purchase, or delivery reviews right about there. And next is the discount for photo video reviews. So incentive customers to leave a photo review by offering a discount for their next purchase. So if a potential customer will actually have a review, and he or she will provide a photo or a video of the product that he or she currently is reviewing, you can actually give them discounts for their next purchase. So to do that, just click on the drop down right here, and as you can see, you can actually enable discount for photo or video right here, and of course enter the discount amount. So just click on any discount amount that you want to give to your potential customers once he or she will provide a video or a photo of the review he or she currently purchases. So next is you can actually go to video reviews. So collect and display video reviews of your happy customers. So you can but in order for you to do that, you need to upgrade to the growth plan right here. Just click on upgrade right here if you want to do this. Next is the emails. So this is to customize the email sent to your customers. So you can actually review requests right here. Encourage your customers to leave a review with an automated email, you can do that. And the review request reminder, you can send a second review request to customers who did not submit a review yet. So what this simply means, I'm not gonna go down to this because this is actually this is actually very broad. So what this actually means is if a potential customer buys your product or he or she haven't reviewed it yet, automatically they will be sent an email using your Shopify store, like saying, hey, can you give us a review on your product? Or you can say, hey, can you give us a review of a product with your photo or video? And if you do that, you will have a, let's just say, 20% discount on your next purchase. So if I were a customer, I'm gonna leave a review for that 20% discount, so something like that. So next is the review form. So customize the form for your customers use when writing a review. So to actually do that, just click on that, and now we will need to choose the theme color of your review section. So just click on this one right here, and you can actually edit the color that you want to have as your theme color. So let's just go for a little bit of turquoise right here, just about that. Or is this turquoise? I don't know. So let's just go for blue right here. And next, the corner radius, you can actually select what is the shape of the corner radius you want to have. You can actually have it by default that is rounded, and you can have sharp, slightly round, rounded, extra rounded. So I'm just gonna set the default to rounded right here. And next is the content, like rating page. How would you rate your item? So note item automatically takes the product time. So the rating page title, you can actually say rate me. And the rating page title number of items, you can actually say how many items, right about there. And 5 stars rating, you can actually say love it. Or on the 1-star rating, you can actually say dislike it. And on the photos and the video page title, you can actually say show me, or let's just say show off, just about there. And the photo video page web title, like let's just say in action. And the add photo button text, you can actually say add photo. And on the add video, you can actually say add video. And on the photo or video discount text, you can actually say get coupons for discount in your next purchase once you provide a video or photo review. So next is the review text title page. You can actually add what you want to add right here. So basically it's all up to you. So once you are done with that, just click on, as you can see, I don't have the save page right here because I need to upgrade my Luke's products and reviews. So if you are seriously considering Luke's products and reviews to be your review application in your Shopify store, just click on upgrade. So right here. So for now, I don't want to upgrade. So basically, if you upgraded your Luke's products and reviews, it will automatically say save right here. So as you can see, we are done with the collect reviews right here. So let's go back to the reviews page and let's go to display reviews. So this is where we will be actually editing our widgets. So for now, I'm just gonna select product reviews widgets right here. And as you can see, the widget color, you can actually have the black text, the white text, or the custom. So for now, I'm just gonna select the black text right here. And next is the review shadows. Just click on the drop down. So you can actually have a dark offset, some light offset, or no shadow. It's all up to you. So basically, I'm gonna choose dark offset right here. And the corner radius, you can actually have it default by rounded. And the header, it's all up to you as well. And the product reviews widget, you can actually say hidden when empty, always hidden. So this is all up to you basically. And the review button always shown, you can actually say always hidden right here. So I like to always show a write review button in my page. Next is the reviews per page. The number of reviews displayed before show more on products page. So you can actually set this one to whatever amount you want to choose. So I think 20. Personally 20 is a little bit much. So I'm just gonna click on 10 right here. And the review dates, you can actually show or hide it. So I just basically want to show my review dates. And the item type, you can actually, I highly suggest you show the item type and the review dates right here. Next is the default sorting, so you can actually have this featured, newest, highest ratings, or lowest ratings. So by default sorting, I highly suggest that you go to highest ratings right here. And if you want to show sorting options, you can actually toggle this one off right here if you don't want to. And show ratings distribution, just toggle this one off if you want to do that as well. And next is the content. So basically, this is the content of the review by any customers. If you want to do that, you can actually just simply type anything you want to do right here. So it is all up to you. That's about it's all about preference actually. So next is the referral. So once I go to offers right here, you will have a set of referral offers. So if somebody will refer this store to a particular customer, or let's just say John refers this one to Joshua, so John will have a incentive on his next purchase. So if you want to do that, like as you can see, the friends discount, if you want to set this to any amount that you want, and you can actually have an advocate reward, and for the particular coupon or for a particular discount or referral offer discount to work, you can actually add a minimum purchase amount right here. That's about it. Next is the upsell. So for now, set up your upsell offer in just a few clicks. So drive more revenue from your customers by displaying an upsell offer of the purchase is made. So if you want to do this, you can actually select an application. So for now, I'm not gonna dive into this because we are just focusing on the reviews right here. So in order for this product's work, you need to actually have a plan right here. So once I'm just gonna upgrade this plan right here. I'm just gonna open a new tab. So as you can see, you have a bunch of different plans right here. So you have beginners, you have growth, and you have unlimited. So if you're seriously considering Loox actually to have this as your application for your product reviews, I highly suggest you use this. I mean, there are a bunch of different applications you can actually do that, like Judge Me right here. But the problem with Judge Me I personally have in my computer is it won't really load. I'm just gonna let you show what I mean. So as you can see, the Judge Me on the App Store, this is what they normally use. So I'm just gonna click on this, and as you can see, once I click on Add Application, it will not load right about there. So as you can see, it's stuck on this page right here. So I highly suggest to choose Loox if you experience something like this, like me and my Judge Me. So I think Loox is a very good product a very good application for your product reviews. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course, click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!